Fix India YouTube channel, and we are very glad to inform you that we are the manufacturer of this ACF bonding machine, and our most famous ACF bonding machine series is KD891-LI. This machine has the capacity to repair LCD panel size up to 85 inches. You can see here, this is a very big bonding machine, and the width of this bonding machine is around 48 inches, and the platform size of this bonding machine is 72 inches. Now you can see here, this bonding machine consists two microscopic camera view, one for the right side end and another for is the left side end, and this screen size is 19 inches for both views. Another important feature of this bonding machine is the pressure control system. This bonding machine has total 4 pressure control system. The first one is total pressure, that is the whole air pressure. The next one is the up pressure control system. Then the third one is the down pressure control systems, and the fourth one is the bonding pressure. So this bonding machine has 4-point pressure control systems that gives you precise pressure and accurately bonding pressure during the head down time and head up time, as well as the bonding pressure. Now another important part or another important tool of this bonding machine is the head tool. You can see here, this head tool is made of the titanium material, and the width of this head is 68 mm and the blade size is 1.3 mm. So it gives very crisp and very precise bonding on different type of COFs. Another very important part is the head element assembly. You can see here, this air cylinder, that is a double bore slide table L cylinder, that is a very long lasting and has a capacity of 6 kilopascal pressure capacity. And after that, these two head element plates that is made of special type of hard steel. So this head element assembly life is very long, around 4 to 5 years life, and that gives you very hassle-free head element system. Another crucial component is this COF adjustment unit. You can see here, there are 3 adjustment micrometer gauge are given. Each micrometer gauge, this is for the X direction adjustment, this is for the Y direction adjustment, and this is for the angular adjustment of the COF. This is a very important device that gives you very precise adjustment of COF tracks with the glass tracks with the accuracy of 0.01 millimeter. These two are the camera adjustment assembly. This is for the right side camera adjustment assembly, and this is the left side camera adjustment assembly. You can see here, with this very precise movement, you can adjust the camera. You can see the proper view. You can see the complete bonding view also here through this camera adjustment assembly. This control panel has a control of basically 3 type of lights. This is the tube light. This is 2 LED spots light, and this is a special light given inside the crystal. So with these 3 adjustment of these 3 different lights, you can have a crystal clear vision of COF tracks and the glass tracks very precisely, and you can align these tracks very easily with the adjustment of these 3 type of lights. These are the start button, this is the manual head up down tool, this is emergency stop, and this is a vacuum on button. And when the panel is set and it is completely adjusted, you can start this vacuum on button. So the panel is held by the vacuum platform given on the back side of the crystal light. Now we understand the control system. You can see here, basically this HMI and the PLC controller has different type of profile selections. So when you are handling a different type of COF bonding, you can select the appropriate and most suitable profile according to the type of COF. You can see in the setup, you can go in profile setup. This is the first profile, that is standard COF profile. So this standard profile it is more suitable for most of the COFs, and out of 10, mostly 8 COFs are more suitable for the standard profile. But in some case, if you are using old COF, you need to change the profile. Say for example, if you are using old COF, you need to select the profile number 2, and the data is set as per the old COF bonding, most suitable for the old COF bonding. And if we go to profile number 3, you can see this is for the big COF. In some panel, there is a single COF of big size, so this profile is most suitable for that type of COF bonding. And if we select fourth profile, that is for the 4K panel, you can see here this profile is more suitable for the 4K panel. And once we select this profile, it will display here profile number 4 for the 4K panel. So if we are bonding with 4K panel COF, we need to select 4K profile. Also, another 4 control buttons are given. This is the ACF attach button. This ACF attach button is for the attaching ACF to the glass tracks. This is for the pre-bonding button. This is for the pre-bonding. We can see is the testing of the bonding. Then the third number is the glass side bonding, and the fourth one is the PCB side bonding. So this is the control systems. And once you select the profile, it will automatically adjust the temperature and pressure most suitable for that type of COFs. You can see here there is another device is PID controller, that is a temperature controller. This PID controller generates the pulse to maintain and control the heating of the head tool. Now, in some low cost machines, there is no such kind of features is given, and the head tool is directly heated. But while in this machine, the head tool is heated through the pulse generated by this PID controller. We can see here, we can see one bonding profile. Now I am giving this bonding command by pressing start 1 and start 2 button together. You can see here, this is the 170 degree temperature is there, and then head tool is came down. Now the bonding process is going on, and you can see here very precise temperature controller. You can see the 240 is the target temperature and the 240 is the present temperature. So this is a very precise control. You can see this is the stability of the graph also. This is the cooling area. The head is cooled by the flow of air, and this bonding cycle is completed. So friends, this is a automatically controlled bonding machine, and once you select the appropriate profile, the controller will adjust the required temperature control system and the pressure systems, and the bonding will be done very accurately and very precisely. The main benefit of this kind of precise temperature controller is that the strength of the bonding is like the original new panel only. Now, another very useful features in our ACF bonding machine KD891Li version 2.0 is the arrangement given on the back side of moving microscope. You can see here, this microscope you can move in X direction and Y direction very easily. So for the observation of the panel or observing the object, you don't need to move the object, but you can move the microscope itself. And you can see the backlight is given and the panel tester is given along with this bonding machine. So you can observe the glass side tracks, you can observe the panel's glass circuit inside very easily and very handfully along with this moving microscope arrangement. Now I will give you a demonstration of how you can observe the glass circuit inside tracks using this moving microscope. You can see on the view, this is a direct track of a last COF, and you can see these are the VGH, VGL and CPV, STV, OE signals, 3.3 volt signals, all going inside the panel glass circuit, and this direct tracks will go to the side gate IC. And along with this moving microscope, you can easily observe these tracks, and if any track is open or damaged, you can easily find the fault. And also you can generate your own side gate COF data with this moving microscope arrangement. Another application, you can see this is the bonding area and this is the glass tracks view, and with the wooden stick you can easily clean the very deep part of the glass tracks or the panel glass circuit in the bonding area very easily with this moving microscope arrangement. You can see the bonding area after the bonding process, and you can observe that the bonding is perfect or not, or any dust or any problem in the bonding you can easily observe with this moving microscope. So friends, this is very useful tool for the observing the tracks of the panel glass. In this view you can see we are observing this COF IC SiPO chip tracks going inside the LCD panel glass with this moving XY direction microscope, and this tracks contains the RSDS data, that is the red, green and blue subpixels tracks, and these tracks will go inside the panel glass. You can see here we have changed the lightings so for the better or clear view, and you can see now you can see these zigzag tracks, and this is the panel glass inside circuit. Okay, and these tracks will, now it is in zigzag form, and these tracks will go to the X lines, means subpixels lines. You can all see this is the starting of subpixels line. These are the subpixels line, and you can observe this number also. So any problem related to the vertical line faults you can observe with this moving microscope arrangement very easily. For the faults related to the CKV lines, you can also observe the CKV tracks going inside the panel glass. These are the CKV tracks going inside the panel glass, and these CKV tracks will be generated gate lines. You can see here on the screen, this is the CKV tracks, and these CKV tracks will connected to this SR block circuit. This is the SR block circuit, and this SR block circuit will be generated the gate line. You can see this is the gate line and this is the gate line number. So this is the Y line of the LCD panel glass inside, and any fault in the CKV line or this gate line you can observe using this moving microscope arrangement very easily. These are the different type of capacitance and resistance given inside this gate circuit. Very handy and very useful XY direction moving microscope for the panel glass circuit. Another model is manufactured by us is KD 2020. This model we have launched in this 2020 year, and it is a little bit economical model. In this model, what we have changed is the controller of this bonding machine. We have used a combo of HMI, PLC and PID temperature controller in a single device. You can see on the screen, this device is a combination of all three devices, and in this device the setup and the program is the same. We have also given different type of profile of for the bonding of different type of COFs in this model also. So the profile selection is the same like KD891, and the same bonding quality you can get in this model also, but the size of this machine is small. The size of this machine is 36 inches and the viewing screen is 9 inches on the both side, and this pressure control system is only one in this particular model, and the rest parts like head assembly, the head size, the cylinder, this head assembly plate, head alignment system is the same like KD891 model. Rest is everything is same, only the size of this machine is small, that is 36 inches, and the controller of this machine model is a combination of HMI PLC. In this another type of bonding machine, the model number is KD2019, and this we called manual bonding machine. In this machine there is no microscopic camera or no screen to display this microscopic camera. You need to align the COF tracks and the glass side tracks on a separate microscope manually, and then for the bonding you can use the same head and same head assembly like KD891 in this model. And also we have given the profile selections same like our other bonding machine. This is again a pulse heated bonding machine, and you can have a different type of profile selection same like our KD891 and KD2020 bonding machine. You can choose the appropriate profile according to the type of COF, and you can observe the present value of temperature and set value of temperature in this screen itself. So friends, this is the most economical and low cost manual ACF bonding machine. Also, another two factors are very important in LCD panel repairing process, that is the technology know-how about the complete LCD panel working knowledge. You should have complete knowledge about the LCD panel working, from the LVDS input to the DC to DC IC sections, how this 3.3 volt AVDD, VGH, VGL is generated, what is the function of T-con control IC, what is the function of gamma IC, what is the function of scan drive or level shifter IC, what is the difference between the panel with side gate and without side gate, how the inside panel circuit works. So we provide our customer a complete know-how about the LCD panel working systems. So for the same, we have developed 18 e-classes, each of 90 minutes, and that we provide free along with our bonding machine. So this training or these e-classes will be provided to you free of cost along with the purchase of these bonding machines from our company. And the third important parameter about the bonding machine or LCD panel repairing process is availability of spare parts. We also support our customers for the different type of spare parts supply and finding the best sources for getting these spare parts. So our company works as a complete solution provider for our customers in the field of LCD panel repairing process. So friends, I hope this is a very useful and informative video for you, and also I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel for technological updates and finding new videos related to LCD panel repair process. Thank you friends, and have a nice day.